Hey, I'm Drew Forhan. I'm here in Sandpoint, Idaho to pick up my CJ2 Plus with Tamarack Winglets. You know, I've been on this journey with Tamarack for many years. I had a CJ1 Plus and was first introduced to these winglets when I was at a CJP convention, and was convinced that this technology was what I needed to put on my CJ1 Plus. So I had that plane for about 3 or 4 years. Loved it, saw the performance improvements, quicker to climb, smoother in turbulence and slower landing speeds. All those things that were professed by Tamarack actually were true. So I sold my CJ1 Plus and bought this CJ2 Plus. And the only question that I had was my hanger width. So it prevented me early on from putting these on. But I was finally convinced. I got a new hanger person that he could put this plane into my hanger without damaging these winglets. So was the 50th customer, I think, on the CJ1 Plus, and now I'm the 200th, celebrating this milestone with Tamarack. And I commend them. I commend them on their perseverance, their belief in their technology, and the future of the company. I think good things are ahead for Tamarack, and I'm happy to be part of it. So congratulations to Tamarack. I'm excited to take off in my a new CJ2 Plus with winglets.